Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold fell 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The pound rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.5% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The three major US stock indexes climbed, with Apple giving the S&P 500 its biggest boost, as the White House exempted smartphones and computers from new tariffs. But uncertainty over future tariffs kept investors cautious. Solana has rallied more than 20% against Ether over the last 7 days, and traders are eyeing a potential breakout to $300, which would mark new all-time highs. The Sol-ETH pair gains follow a bullish week for Solana, which has increased by 35%. Nvidia said it is planning to build AI servers worth as much as $500 billion in the US over the next 4 years, with help from partners such as TSMC, the latest American tech firm to back the Trump administration's push for local manufacturing.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT. The US Import Price Index at 12:30 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes at 1:30 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 9 GMT. Germany's wholesale price index at 6 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.